Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll talk about the CapCut interface. So this interface, you will get this interface whenever you click or double click on your CapCut icon. Not all these things because right now I'm working on multiple projects. So you will not get all these things. You just get this thing and this create project button. So create project, you have whenever you want to start your editing process, you have to click on that create project button, which is really a nice button, the gradient button, and you will get this interface. This is also really a nice and not it's not really very complex as compared to the Adobe Premiere and After Effects, which is really complex. We have to find the things, but CapCut is really a nice tool in which you will get all the things in just like a click away. So this is a import section where you can import all your media files. You just have to double click over there. Whenever you don't have any media files over there, you have to click over there and import your files in that project. But after that, you cannot click your files by double clicking or just a single clicking. So what you have to do, you have to click on that import button. See, everything will be a single click away from you. You just have to click over there and and import another clip. But if you want to import multiple files to your project, what you have to do, you have to select all those files and click on the open. So this is your import section where you can import all your files. Now this is the preview section. For example, if I want to get a gym video, I have gym video in all these four videos, but I don't know which one is a gym video. So I have to click on that and this video will preview me the video, and I'm getting that this is not the one I'm looking for. So what I have to do, I have to click on the next and CapCut will show me that this is the complete video. So this is basically the preview window where you can preview all your files before moving it to the timeline. Now this is the detail option which shows you the multiple details like the FPS, or which I don't think really under considerable. So just skip this thing, but it's showing the path section, so you can also check the path. But still, and now the one of the most important section of the CapCut is this the timeline. So if you want to move your any clip to that timeline, you just have to click on that plus button. It says that add to track. When I click on that, it directly move to the track. And now this is the whole section where you can edit your videos. And if you can see, like, you can see your video. Here are also multiple options like how you can split, which we talked about in the next videos. But here are multiple options. You can see also a few options over there, and there are a lot of options like just a cockpit. But don't worry, it's just really very easy and just a single click options. So we will talk all these things in the next video. So this is the timeline, and these are all the editing split or undo or just a cursor options over there. And also if you want to drag another video, you have to click on that plus option. But if you want to drag a video over there in the second timeline, so you have to drag and drop that video in that respective place. And after that, if you want, if all your editing process takes complete, you have to export that video. You have to click over there. You have to rename your video like practice video, and you have to select your desired folder and select folder. And after that, you have to select the resolution, the bitrate. I recommend the recommended bitrate. Now the codec will also be H.264 because this is the most common compression method we editors basically used. And format is basically MP4 because MP4 plays in Apple and also in Android, but sometimes MOV not plays in the Android. So we in all MP4 can easily play in all the media players, and the frame rate will be 30 FPS. And now we can export that video clip, so we will get the video in our desired folder. So this is a short brief intro regarding the timeline and regarding the interface of the CapCut, where you will get the things. This is the this is the import section, this is the preview window, this is the editing section like editing cockpit, and this is the timeline. So this is all about this video.